Alright guys, I know it's been a while, so luckily it's been a while though. That means that I haven't had to worry about doing maintenance to any of my cars, but today we're gonna replace a part. And let me show you what the car is doing. So as you can see, my seat belt is on. Look, I can pull on it, it's locked in place, okay? Check this out. The car is telling me that my seat belt is not on, okay? And like I said, as you can see, it's on. All right. So there's a little cable that is attached to that part that I guess sends the signal back to the car saying, hey, the seatbelt is on. I guess that's gone bad. So I went ahead and ordered the part. Here it is. And this is what I assume went bad, okay? Now, to replace it, we're gonna have to take the seat off and whatnot, but I will show you here in a minute how it's done. It's a very easy process. Now, I never done it myself, but it's very straightforward. So hopefully you'll stay with me and we'll get it done. All right, so as far as tools, you need a T47 socket. Let me see if I can focus. A T47 socket. And it's gonna be shaped like this, okay? And you want a 3/8 drive in the back of it. This is the drive right here, 3/8, and in the back you want it like this because we're gonna use a drill here or a compact. Okay. Now you can do it with a ratchet. So you wouldn't need a drive, maybe an extension. It doesn't matter, however you want to do it. In this case, we're gonna do it with an impact. Okay. So what you want to do here is you want to move your seat all the way to the front. Okay. So you want to be able to see these bolts right here. Here's one. And let's fold this seat forward. And here's that other one, okay? So obviously with your impact, you're going to come in and loosen them up. There we go. Make sure you put your socket really good in there. You don't want to round them up. There you go. So let's go ahead and remove the bolts, and then there we go. And then I'm gonna put the phone down for a minute so that I can take the seat out of its place. Once I take it off, I will show you the little hooks that are on the seat that go into the floor. So basically, to remove it, you're gonna, as it sits just like that, you're gonna push it back and then lift up. And I'll explain that to you once I remove it, okay? Okay, so here's what I'm talking about. You see this little thing right here? So it goes right here, okay? One on each side. You can see you got two. So one in each slot. So when you put it in the floor, it goes forward, right? So if you try to pull the seat straight up, it's not gonna come out. You gotta push it back and then lift it, and then it's gonna come off. Make sure it comes off on both sides. Now, I'm not gonna take the seat completely out. All I'm gonna do is turn it to where I can get to the seat belt buckle and then remove it, okay? So there we go. I've turned it sideways, as y'all can see, right? So from here, I'm able to see the seatbelt buckle. And for some reason, it's got a zip tie to it. I mean, I bought this car over a year ago. I don't know why it has that, but anyways, there it is. So we're going to be taking that off. Now make sure that you know where follow your little cable. There's not much light, but here it is, okay? So we'll remove that first, and then with the same size socket, is what it fits right here. We just gotta take that one bolt out and it'll come loose. So let me do that in a second. I wanted to point one thing out before I did it. You all see this right here? To remove it, all you have to do is press here. I don't know if you can tell where my finger is. You'll be able to feel a little like a clip, and you push down on it. You need both hands, but I was able to do it with one. So you press right here and it comes right off. So basically it's this piece right here, okay? This piece, that's what locks it in. So you're able to push it down push down and pull it back. Okay, so that's how you take that off. So it goes in like this. All right, you push down on the back side, comes right off. Okay, and then like I said, for your seat right here, the bolt, there we go, and that's out. Let's put the new one in. So I got the new one in place. I haven't tightened it or anything yet. As you can see, there's the old piece over here. And guys, these belt buckles, they go for about $120 new. Online, I looked different places online. I found one on eBay for like $50. And believe me, they'll do the job, you know? So don't spend $120 when you can spend less than half of that. Just keep looking for it, and I'm sure you'll find one. And then it's an easy process on replacing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it and we'll be done. All right, so that's done. Basically, I tightened it with the impact and I connected the cable, nothing to it. Like I said, you just push it in, not to plug it, you just push it in. Maybe I should show you that. So look, to unlock it, press the back. All right, and pull on it. So like I said, you need both hands, but I'm trying to make this video. So anyways, look, just, let's see if I can get that. Push on it, locks in place. Good to go. So let's put the seat back in place, let's tighten it and see if this works. Now, just from past experiences, and not talking about this specifically, but you want to get the bolt started by hand. You can remove your socket from the impact and just turn it a little bit by hand. You don't want to strip the threads on those bolts or anything. I mean, I'm pretty sure you could probably run to the store and get new ones, but the point is to save money, right? So get them started by hand. Then get your impact and get it tightened. Do that one, but don't over tighten it, and then come back to it and tighten it a little bit more. There we go. That's it. So now let's see if it works. All right, let's see if this actually works. There we go. There we go. Now we're good to go. Works good. Clicks just fine, holds in place. We're good to go. So hopefully this video helps you. It's an easy process, like I said. Nothing to it, just a little bit of work. And like I said, you know, trying to save some money, especially with things going on in the economy as they are right now. Whatever money you can save is good. So anyways, hopefully this video helps you. If it does, give it a like, share it if you like. Like I said before, just out here trying to help you to save a little bit of money. I'm not a mechanic. I try to save some money myself, share some of that knowledge. Helping is always good. It always makes me feel good. Hopefully maybe you know something that I don't. Post it. It'd be more than good to have something that we can see and help us solve some of these little issues. Well, till next time.